Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Chime to crypto purchases via partner exchanges, detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by opening your Chime app on your mobile device. Log into your Chime account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, tap on the settings option located at the bottom right corner. In the settings menu, select Manage Account. Next, look for the option labeled Add External Account or Link External Account. Choose your preferred cryptocurrency exchange from the list of partner exchanges available. If your exchange is not listed, visit the exchange's support page for further assistance. Follow the prompts to enter your account details for the selected exchange. Make sure to provide accurate information to ensure a successful connection. You may be required to verify your identity or confirm your email address. Once your account is linked, return to the app's main dashboard. Navigate back to the cryptocurrency exchange to check if the connection is successful. If necessary, deposit funds into your exchange account using your Chime balance. To do this, select the deposit option on the exchange platform. Choose bank transfer and select Chime as your funding source. Input the amount you wish to transfer for crypto purchases. Review all details carefully before confirming the transfer. After the deposit is processed, you can start buying cryptocurrency through the exchange. Keep an eye on any fees associated with the transactions. For any issues, consult the FAQ section of both Chime and your chosen exchange. Once you're comfortable, you can explore various cryptocurrencies available for purchase. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.